Hi and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca and today I'm going to kit up or display book my Mystery 2 edition from PaintGem Minis. Going forward, I think I will do a display book video on occasion, but for most of them I think I'll just show it you in the book. So this is probably the last one of these videos for a while, but it is only going to be a quick one and it does need doing. So I thought, why not? Let's just make a video out of this one. So these are the display books I use, the Eco A5 display books. November is when we are expecting more stock. I actually had this one stuck on my diamond painting shelf when I took a few in there a while back. It is my last one, so I will be waiting as much as you guys for the manufacturers to get more in November. As soon as they do, we will be ordering more and putting the bundles and the display books back on the website and emailing anybody that's signed up to the wait list. Now, you may notice that I am putting the mystery front page in here and not the Mystery 2 front page. And the reason, there is a reason for that, is the mystery itself has 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, yeah, it has 12, which I've not yet done. The Mystery 2 only has 4. So combining those two together, they will all fit in one book. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put them all in one book. So I've got the mystery stickers out, which I've not yet done. I'm just going to tuck those inside the book for later. I'm also not going to remove any of the pages out the middle until I've done the mystery set, and then I'll do my maths again. Oh, hang on, I could probably do it. 12, 16... So, hang on, 2, 4, 6, 8, yeah, so it has got 20 pages, which if you don't mind it ending up really thick, you can do back to back, so you can actually get 40 sheets in there. But I like to do it the single way. So I want to take out 2 pages either side, and this is why I have to double check things. So 12 plus 4. I'm trying to keep these covered as long as I can. So if you have the Mystery 2 set and haven't yet done it, I will be showing you them in a minute. So you might want to skedaddle if you don't want to know what they are. I didn't want anybody to have this video on automatic play and not have chance to realise. So I've said it out loud now. If you have Mystery Edition 2, you've not yet done it and you don't want to know, I will be uncovering them soon. So I need to take 4 sheets out. So 2 from each side. And I just cut them. I just cut them as close as I can to the seam. That's the way I tend to remove my pages, and I don't tend to notice after they've gone and stuff has been put in. I don't tend to even realise that I have hack cut the pages out of there. So there's the pages out. I have got my stickers. We do put a sticker that says Mystery 2 and that just says Mystery. That is because on the spine, I'm just going to use Mystery. If you've only got one set of Mystery, you might only want to put the Mystery sticker. You've got options. We figured we may as well give you options. So Mystery is on there. And are you ready? This is the Mystery 2 edition. So this is the first one, and you only get 4 in these, but they are bigger images. I have already put the tape on the back, which is why I know it's going to be quick. There is only 4. I've put all the tape on the back, and it should be quick she says, as she can't get the tape off. But going forward, at least for a while, I might do a recap on the display books every now and then. But I'm just going to do them, and when I dekit, I'll just show you them all. But it's nice on the mystery ones to actually split things up, so I can put that they've got spoilers, and if people don't want to see what's in these mystery kits, they don't have to. I don't like it when I've got cardstock underneath cardstock. I like to be able to see where I'm going to line it up. I think I'm pretty much straight, and maybe not. I don't know that I am. Okay, it's stuck anyway. It's staying. So this one I'm going for spring. There is flowers in both spring and summer. I did question at one point, but these have sunflowers, and it's got the sun high in the sky. So that's what makes me think that this one is summer. Hopefully you guys agree. If not, maybe I've got it wrong, or maybe it doesn't matter, because it's my book. But yeah, I'm going for blossom on the tree in spring and the sun high in the summer. Let me know if you guys agree or not. It's not going to change it. As soon as it's in my book, it's in my book. I think Christmas was potentially, or winter should I say, was potentially my favourite. I think I did autumn first, if I remember right. They actually take quite a bit longer than the other PaintGem minis that I've got. And it took me a while. I think it was only when I got to like the fourth one that I sort of really knew the pattern and knew to pay attention to the likes of the roof. The roof and the door sort of having the same sort of colours, and making sure that I didn't miss the symbols. But there was quite a lot where I had to, I thought I'd got all the symbols and I actually hadn't, because of the black and white design on it. So, but yeah, they were fun to do. It's fun to do mini mysteries instead of big ones. I'm quite excited to kit another one up. I actually nearly pushed it into this week's schedule, but I've just had the rest of the PaintGem mini sets have arrived that I haven't done, and I want to put those unboxing videos up so that I can put them into my decision wheel and potentially have the chance of doing an older PaintGem mini kit or a newer one. I like to add that little mix in. Okay, so I don't need any of those anymore. Now, aren't these absolutely gorgeous? I think they're beautiful. You could put these in frames and actually change them for the season. I'm actually going to put these in from the back. I did think about putting these straight in the front, but the stickers do say mystery 2, so I kind of feel like they should go after mystery 1, even if I've not done them yet. So I'm going to pop them in here, and mystery 1 can sneak in the front whenever my decision wheel picks that one. I've still got 2 other sets on the go, so I've got plenty to keep me going for now. And once I've done the unboxings, I'll kit up another set and we'll see which one the decision wheel chooses for me. But for now, mystery 2 is complete. They're actually adorable. They look so much better off the black as well. Off the black card, look at that. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Right, so that is my mystery book half done until until such a time that I get to complete the others. Sorry, it is a short one. I know this isn't sort of top of the list for everybody's video types, but squeeze another one in before I do them on my own time. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.